Good day, cyber warriors. Cybermonk here. You know the internet is a wild place, full of amazing things but also lurking dangers. Hackers and scammers are out there, trying to snatch your info and wreak havoc on your digital life. But fear not, because today, we're taking control. We're becoming cybersecurity superheroes. In this video, we'll be diving into the world of DIY cybersecurity tools. Empower yourself with essential DIY cybersecurity tools to protect your digital life. Learn how to safeguard your accounts, secure your network, and shield your data from threats. Password managers, keeping your accounts secure. Unique passwords. Password managers generate and store strong, unique passwords for all your accounts, preventing reuse and reducing the risk of breaches. Seamless access. With a single master password, you can easily access all your accounts without the hassle of remembering individual credentials. Enhanced security. Password managers encrypt your data, ensuring your login information is protected from prying eyes. Some of our recommendation for password managers is: LastPass, easily create and store secure passwords. KeePass is really free, and more than that, it is open source, OSI certified. Two-factor authentication, adding an extra layer of protection. Stronger security. Two-factor authentication, 2FA, adds an extra step to the login process, making it much harder for unauthorized users to access your accounts. Flexibility. 2FA can be implemented using various methods, such as SMS, authenticator apps, or security keys, providing you with multiple options to secure your accounts. Convenience. Many online services now offer 2FA, making it easy to add an extra layer of protection to your most important accounts. Google Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator are some of the best tools available for enabling 2FA. Firewalls, monitoring and controlling network traffic. 1. Network protection. Firewalls act as gatekeepers, monitoring and controlling the flow of data in and out of your network, shielding it from unauthorized access and malicious activity. 2. Traffic regulation. Firewalls allow you to set rules to permit or block specific types of network traffic, ensuring only authorized connections are established. 3. Vulnerability reduction. By closely monitoring and filtering network traffic, firewalls help mitigate the risk of exploits and reduce the attack surface for potential threats. The good news: you don't need a fancy security guard to keep your network safe. Many operating systems come with built-in firewalls you can activate for free. For example, Windows Defender Firewall comes pre-installed on Windows machines, and MacOS has a built-in firewall as well. Virtual private networks, VPNs, securing your online activities. 1. Encrypted tunnel. VPNs create a secure, encrypted connection between your device and the VPN server, shielding your online activities from prying eyes. 2. IP address masking. VPNs hide your actual IP address, making it difficult for anyone to track your online activities or identify your location. 3. Public Wi-Fi protection. VPNs are especially useful when using public Wi-Fi, ensuring your data remains private and secure even on unsecured networks. Tip: while free VPNs exist, be cautious. Some might be unreliable, track your data, or even inject malware. It's best to invest in a reputable paid VPN service for optimal security and privacy. Encryption, protecting your data from prying eyes. Data protection. Encryption scrambles your data, making it unreadable to anyone without the proper decryption key, ensuring your files, messages, and communications remain secure. Privacy safeguard. Encryption acts as a powerful privacy safeguard, preventing unauthorized access and keeping your sensitive information out of the wrong hands. Compliance. Many industries and organizations require the use of encryption to meet regulatory requirements and protect customer data. The good news: basic encryption is available for free. Many operating systems offer built-in encryption tools. For example, on Windows, you can use BitLocker to encrypt entire drives. While these tools might not offer the most advanced features, they provide a good starting point for protecting your most sensitive data. Antivirus and malware protection, safeguarding your system. Malware detection. Antivirus software scans your system for known viruses, trojans, and other malicious programs, catching and removing them before they can cause harm. Real-time monitoring. Antivirus solutions continuously monitor your system, providing real-time protection against emerging threats and online attacks. Threat removal. If a malicious program is detected, antivirus tools work to isolate, quarantine, and remove the threat, restoring your system to a safe state. The good news is, you don't necessarily need to break the bank for protection. Many reputable companies offer free antivirus solutions. However, it's important to choose your free antivirus carefully. Conclusion: empowering yourself with DIY cybersecurity. Alright everyone, that's all the time we have for DIY cybersecurity tools. Remember, you don't have to become a tech whiz to protect yourself online. By implementing these simple tools and practices, you can significantly improve your digital security posture. Here's the takeaway: the internet is a powerful tool, but like any powerful tool, it requires responsible use. By taking charge of your cybersecurity, you're not just protecting your data and devices, you're taking control of your online experience. And remember, you're not alone in this journey. Here on this channel, Cybrmonk will be your guide, bringing you the latest tips, tricks, and tools to keep you safe in the ever-evolving digital landscape. So, smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and stay tuned for more cybersecurity adventures. Together, let's make the internet a safer place for everyone.